What is the safest way to scale your Facebook ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. What is the safest way to scale your Facebook ads? The safest, because if you scale it the wrong way, you'll put your ads back in the learning phase, and then it takes time to optimize, and it's not going to perform as well for a few days. But so the safest way to scale your Facebook ads is to only raise the budget by no more than 20% every 3 days. Then you're not triggering Facebook's algorithm to go back into the learning phase. You can also do it a little bit faster than that, but every 3 days, then you're sure that it's not going to trigger the algorithm to go back into the learning phase. Other ways that you can scale your Facebook ads, of course, they have to be profitable, very well profitable before you scale them. Because when you scale, the profitability is usually going down. So they have to be well profitable before you start to scale. But another way that you can scale them is to simply add more audiences. So you make a new ad set and you add a new audience. That could be a new interest group. And with that, of course, it gets its own ad spend. So you don't add more ad spend to the existing ad sets. You just let them run, but you add more ad spend to the new ad set that you're making. But when you're trying new ad set or new interest groups, of course, then you have to also be testing, because not all interest groups are going to work. So there's going to be some money spent on testing also. Just be aware of that. A good way to do it is if you can make lookalike audiences. If you have enough, for instance, purchases, if you can make lookalike from purchases, that's the best. Because then Facebook finds people who are similar to people who bought from you, which is optimal, which is perfect, right? So you can have one ad set with a lookalike from 0 to 1% lookalike, and then you can duplicate that and make it into an ad set with the 1 to 2% lookalike, and so on. You can go further than that, but the smaller percentage, the more accurate and the more targeted the audience is going to be, the more similar they're going to be to the people who bought from you when it's a lookalike from purchasers. Hope it makes sense. Otherwise, comment below. And I also down below I have a free ebook called Mastering Social Media Marketing for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. You can go ahead and download that for free. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in the Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me and my team to learn more about it. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.